Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel and the talk about Yusuf Mehdi yesterday that is going to help in the creation of a Agentic OS, which would mean that a next Windows version, or at least in the future, Windows will be really based and running around artificial intelligence. There's a lot of questions that came with that, and one of them is about, well, that means it's always going to be connected. No, because it will run with machines that have their own neural processing units, which means that the operating system will be capable of doing AI on its own without necessarily being connected to the web all the time. A lot of people are saying, well, that would be the best way to put a Windows operating system as a subscription, which is, I think, unfeasible. That would be impossible for Windows to be a operating system that you'd have a subscription. It would People would not go with that. Not with Windows, especially since you buy a Mac and the operating system is free, and there's Linux and all of that out there. So that, I don't think they would go there. They might go there for specific, more advanced features, like they already are right now. If you use Copilot in certain ways, there's already subscriptions for that to do stuff. Also, somebody has asked me, does it mean that Windows 12 will, move away from x64, which is, what most people use right now, which is an Intel or AMD processor in your computer and so on? I can't see Windows 12, if there is such a thing next year, moving away from the standard architecture of x64 for a simple reason. ARM based PCs are right now about only 14 to 15% of PCs sold. So that means that it's a very small portion of PCs that are purchased with an ARM processor. And the big majority are still sold as standard x64 PCs. And I can't see this changing much within the next year. So that means that it would be impossible for Windows 12 to not embrace the standard architecture. One of the things that I do think about Windows 12 is that it might come in simply in two flavors. The AI ARM Copilot plus PC, just like Windows 11 is doing right now. And the other one would be, a standard Windows 12 version that doesn't have all the features that the ARM versions have, but that will run on x64. They don't have a choice because they would actually have so many users that they wouldn't, it wouldn't be compatible. It's a nonsense. Windows would not be profitable in that way. So since the operating systems, the PC souls right now are still, a big chunk of it is still Intel and AMD based x64. It's they'll have to make a version for that. That's for sure. So these are all, of course, the speculations of what's coming up, but definitely with thinking of Yusuf Mehdi going into trying to help with the Agentic OS. I can't think about that not being at least maybe what will be Windows 12, at least. But who knows? And we're still far away. Windows 12 is not going to arrive this year, but next year we're going to start thinking about it because Windows 12, Windows 10 will be gone, and that means that there will be just Windows 11 to dabble with. Usually, Microsoft almost always had two operating systems running at the same time, so it would be a perfect time for something new. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.